I scaled my client's Instagram account from 0 to 20,000 followers in under 3 months without my client ever recording a single video. And in that same period, we hit over 1 million accounts reached every single month, saved 30 hours plus every week on content creation, and generated over 3,000 leads in just 30 days. So in this video, I'm going to break down the exact 3-part system we use to do this. The content strategy that actually drives engagement, the AI automation system that creates 30 days of content in under 3 hours, and the posting workflow that guarantees consistency without any burnout. Now, before we get into it, let me show you why this actually works and why you should even listen to me. This is Shores. He's a 6-figure founder. 3 months ago, he had 0 followers, 0 content, 0 presence online, and 0 authority. Now he has 20,000 followers, nearly 2 million views in 90 days, over 1 million accounts reached every single month, and again generated 3,233 leads in just 1 month. And here's the part that's gonna sound crazy. He's never recorded a single video himself. We built a 95% realistic AI clone of him that creates all his content on autopilot. You literally cannot tell the difference between the real Shaurya and the AI version of him. So if you're a founder, coach, or agency owner who knows you need content but you're drowning in client work and have 0 time to post, this video is for you. Alright, so let's dive straight in. Okay, so the first part of this whole system is the content strategy itself. And look, most people think you just need to post more content, right? But that's not what we did here. What we actually did was build a content strategy around 3 core pillars. Pillar 1 was the AI automation tutorial and tips. Pillar 2 was founder stories and personal brand content, and Pillar 3 was case studies showing real results. Now here's why this actually matters. Shores helps founders scale using back-end AI automation. That's his entire business. So every single piece of content we created was designed to do one of 3 things. Either educate his audience on AI systems, build trust through personal stories and transparency, or build authority and credibility with case studies and results. And we posted 4 times per week, not daily, not random, 4 strategic posts every single week. Now here's what happened. In 90 days, we generated over 2 million views, 1 million accounts reached, and here's the crazy part. 93% of that traffic came from non-followers. That means that the algorithm was literally pushing our content to completely new people every single day. And that doesn't happen by accident. It happens because every single reel was created and optimized for one thing: keeping people watching. Strong hooks, clear value, no fluff, and that's it. Now, if you are watching this and thinking, okay, but how do I actually create an AI clone like this? I have a free guide that shows you exactly how to create your AI clone in under 5 minutes. It's the same system we use for clients like Shores. Links in the description, so go check it out. Alright, so that's the content strategy, but here's where it gets really interesting. The second part of the system was the AI automations. Because here's the problem most founders face, right? They know they need to create content, they know it's important, but they just don't have enough time. Think about it. If you're creating content the traditional way, you're looking at like 2 hours of scripting, 1 hour of filming, 2 to 3 hours of editing, plus time for posting and engagement. That's 10 to 12 hours every single week, 32 to 40 hours per month just on content. Now, Shores was running a 6-figure business. He did not have that kind of time, and I assume that you also do not have that kind of time. So here's what we did instead. We built an AI clone of him that creates content on autopilot. And here's how it works. First, you have to do a recording session which you only need to do once and you're done with it. Shores recorded multiple videos in that one recording session, and that was it. That was the one time he only recorded videos, and after that he never recorded any videos. Step 2 is the AI clone creation itself. We use HeyGen to clone his face and ElevenLabs to clone his voice. And the result is that we get a 95% realistic AI avatar that looks, sounds, and moves exactly like him. Like, you literally cannot tell the difference. It's super insane. Step 3 is content production. Now this is where the magic happens. My team uses Sandcastles for content ideation, Claude to extract Shaw's unique insights and data, and Blort for script writing. So we write the scripts based on Shaurya's voice, his expertise, his stories, everything that makes him him. Then we feed those scripts into the AI clone, the AI generates the video, our editors polish it, and boom, you've got a piece of content that looks exactly like Shaurya's, that feels like that he recorded it himself. But here's the difference. The traditional method would have given 8 to 10 hours per week. The AI clone method just takes 2 hours per month. 30 fucking hours saved every single month. And because we are not limited by recording time, we can produce way more content. 16 high quality reels every single month without Shaurya ever pressing record. And the results, nearly 2 million views in 90 days, over 1.1 million accounts reached. And here's the one thing that matters the most to business owners. 3,000 plus leads generated in just 30 days. Now, the third part is the actual workflow that keeps everything running. Because here's the thing, automation is great, but you still need quality control, right? So here's how we structured it for sure. Step 1 is content creation. My team creates the content using AI clone system I just showed you. And the step 2 is approval, where we send everything to Shaurya for approval. He reviews it, takes about 2 to 3 hours every single month. If anything needs tweaking, we just adjust it, and if it's good to go, we move forward. And step 3 is publishing. We publish 4 times every single week to be consistent, but to make sure that we are strategic at the same time as well. And because the content is high quality and strategically planned, the algorithm actually rewards it. More reach, more views, and more leads generated from content. Now, if you are watching this and thinking, I want to build this exact system for myself, I actually built a community called Content Circle where I teach this step by step. It's where I show you how to create your AI clone, build your content strategy, set up the automation workflow, and scale your content without burning out. It's $49 a month, links in the description if you want to check it out. And the last thing that I want to do here in this video is just bring everything all together. So here's what we covered. So part 1 was the content strategy of deciding what pillars we need to create content on. Part 2 is the AI automation, where we create the AI clone, use AI tools to ideate and write the scripts at the same time as well. And the part 3 is the workflow itself, 2 hours per month for approval, consistent publishing, and massive results. And the outcome was we helped our client grow from 0 to 20,000 followers in less than 90 days and generated over 2 million views in the last 60 days. He went from having zero social presence, zero authority, and no time for creating content to building a personal brand that literally runs itself. Now here's the thing, the system works. We have done this for dozens of clients at my agency Social Brew Toronto, and the results are always the same. More followers, more reach, more leads, more authority, less time, less stress, and less burnout. So if you're a founder, a coach, or an agency owner who wants this exact system built for you, we can do it as well. Here's what we handle. We help you record your AI clone, we write all your scripts, we produce all your content, we manage your content calendar, and we generate qualified leads on autopilot. All you have to do is show up for one recording session and we take care of everything else. If you want to learn more, click on the link in the description to book a free call with me. We'll walk through your situation, show you exactly how this would work for your business, and map out a plan to get you the same results as my other clients get. And if you want that for your business, click the link below and let's start building your personal brand today itself. Alright, that's all for this one. If you found this useful, like this video and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.